Man, it's been a process. I had some good time away from just like the game of baseball. I was able to focus on myself, get my body back into shape that I feel comfortable with. I just want to listen to my body and respect at whatever speed my body is recovering at. Just building volume right now, so I'm just building volume on the arm, doing a lot of throwing, and expect to be back in the minor leagues and just playing baseball again sometime around the summer of this year. I feel like every single time I've started throwing again after surgery, it's just been just like riding a bike. I'm in my natural spot, I'm in my happy place, I'm doing what I have done since I was 3 years old. It's there and it just feels good. Baseball has been such a great opportunity for me in my life. Provided a college education, helped me meet my wife, introduced me to so many friends. I want to be able to provide that for other people with the same dream and the same work ethic as me, whether it's coaching in the major leagues or going back and helping more amateur athletes. Baseball will forever be in my life. Can't get rid of it at this point. I told the Reds, I'm addicted to you guys. I'm here for you guys. This is my 11th year with Cincinnati. I got drafted in 2014, and I don't see myself going anywhere else. I wear my heart on my sleeve. I'm always honest and open with everyone around me. I think that's the best way to approach this situation through physical therapy. Just upfront and honest. Hey, this is exactly how I'm feeling. That allows them to make the best decision in terms of programming, making adjustments for me. So my vision for the rest of this year, finish out my throwing progression, throw in AAA like July, maybe some of August, and I think maybe mid to late August get an opportunity back in the big leagues and establish myself and show everyone that I'm back. Really excited about this year.